Good morning, students. Already we completed real numbers chapter, and before that, I explained and completed sets and one more chapter quadratic expressions. Quadratic expressions first completed, next sets completed, next real numbers completed. Up to now, we have completed three chapters. Now we are going to enter the fourth chapter, that is polynomials. Already we discussed polynomials in the ninth class. So let us recall overall review. What is the term? Term means, for example, variable. What is variable? The unknown value is called variable. For example, if you want to measure the heights of the students, different students' heights maybe varies means changes. So the heights of a student is denoted with x. For one student x value, one another student x value will changes. So a term means a real number and product of real number and variable. For example, x is a variable, 5x is a term, 3 by 2x is a term, minus 7x is a term. If y is a variable, 3y is a variable, 3y is a term. Z is a variable, minus 7z, minus 8z, 10z, 20 by 7z, those are terms. So let us go enter to what is polynomial. A polynomial in variable x is, see here, expression. A polynomial in x is an expression which is the sum of terms. The terms are in the form of a into x power n. Okay, where a is a real number not equal 0 and n is a positive integer or whole number. See, a polynomial in x is an expression containing the sum of finite number of terms of the form, the terms of the form a into x power n. How the terms are? Terms are in the form of a into x power n, where a is a real number not equal 0 and n is a positive integer or whole number. So you can take a value and n value. Take any real number a, take the real number minus 7 or minus 5, a value minus 5, n value 2, minus 5x power 2 is a term. If you take a value 3 by 2, n value 4, 3 by 2 into x power is a term. So a polynomial in x is a expression containing the sum of finite number of terms, where the terms are in the form of a into x power n. For example, let us take some examples. 3x square plus 5, okay, and x minus 3, or 2x cube minus 5x square minus 7. See, these are the sum of two terms. So this is one expression. This expression containing sum of two terms. This expression is in the variable x. So here two terms, here two terms, so here three terms. So an expression in variable x containing the sum of terms, the terms are in the form of a into x power n, okay, where n should be positive integer, that means n should be whole number. So these are some examples of polynomials. Check, this is a polynomial, 4 into x power 1 by 5. See, this 4 is 4, a is a real number, okay, a equal 4 is a real number. What is n? N equal 1 by 5, 1 by 5 not whole number, so it is not a polynomial. Let us take another one, 3x square plus 5 into x power minus 1 minus 7. See, here how many terms are there? 3 terms. The first term 3 into x power 2. The second term 5 into x power minus 1. The variable powers should be positive integers. Okay. An expression in variable x, the powers of x should be positive integer. Variable powers should be positive integers. Then that expression is called polynomial. Otherwise that is not a polynomial. Okay. So this is not polynomial. We have do these problems. See, first one, 2x cube. 2x cube is a polynomial? Yes or no? See, how can you check? You have to check the variable power should be positive integer. Here, what is the variable x? What is x power? 3. 3 is a positive integer. This is only one term. So, this is a polynomial. Next, second one, 1 by x minus 1. Is it polynomial? This 1 by x power 1. This, if you, here, x power 1, you can write, 1 by x you can write, if x goes to numerator, x power minus 1, minus 1. What is the variable power? Minus 1 is negative. So, this is not a polynomial. Okay. Now, let us check third one. What is third one? 4z square plus 1 by z. So, what is the variable here? Z. What is the z power? 2. That is positive integer. So, it is a polynomial. Okay. Now, fourth one, m square minus root 2m plus 2. M square, m power 2. M is the variable. 2 power 2 is the positive integer. Okay. Next, root 2m. M means m power 1. That is also positive integer. So, fourth one is m square minus root 2m plus 2 is a polynomial. Fifth one, p power minus 2 plus 1. P power minus 2 plus 1. What is the variable here? P. P power minus 2. It is not whole number. So, it is not a polynomial. Sometimes 3x square minus 5x power 2 by 3 plus 1. Here this is an expression in variable x. To check this is a polynomial or not, here what is the x power? 2. 2 is a whole number. The next term x power is 2 by 3. It is not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial. Okay. So how to check whether the given expression is polynomial or not? In that expression, the variables powers should be positive integers or whole numbers. Whole numbers are nothing but positive integers. Okay. Now let us go for the degree of the polynomial. Before going to degree of a polynomial, already we discussed degree of terms. So see here, 3x square, it is a term. What is the degree of this term? Variable x power is 2. So degree of this term is 2. So it is not a term. Now it is, what is the degree of this term? 2. Here, what is the degree of this term? Variable x. What is x power? 3. So, to recall the degree of a polynomial, the degree of a polynomial p of x is in variable x is the highest power of x in that polynomial. The degree of the polynomial is highest power of x in that polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. See here, this is the polynomial. 3x square plus 2, 5. What is the variable x? Highest power of x is 2. So, degree is 2. Here, this is a polynomial in variable x. Only x power 1. That is the highest power of x in this polynomial. What is the degree? 1. Here, what is the highest power of x in this polynomial? X power 3, x power 2, constant means x power 0. What is the highest power of x? 3. So, degree of the polynomial is 3. Okay. Now, this is the definition of degree of the polynomial. The highest power of x in the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. So, now if degree is 1, what we call that polynomial? If degree is 1, we can call that is linear polynomial. See this. What is the degree? X minus 3 polynomial. What is the degree? 1. So, this is a linear polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 1 is called linear polynomial. Here 2x cube. This is what is the degree? 3. So this is not a linear polynomial. Here see, this is, what is the degree? 2. Where degree is 2, that is called quadratic polynomial. Okay, if degree is 1, linear polynomial if degree is 2, quadratic polynomial if degree is 3, cubic polynomial. If degree is 4, we can say fourth degree polynomial. If degree is 5, we can say fifth degree polynomial. If degree is 6, sixth degree polynomial. You can write one polynomial whose degree is 6 in variable u. So we can write that is what is polynomial in variable u? Degree 6. The highest power of variable u should be 6. So u power 6 minus 5 u power 3 plus 2 u power 2u minus 7. See, this is a polynomial in variable u whose degree is 6. Why? What is the highest power of variable u? 6. So this is a polynomial, degree is 6. Okay. So you have to try these problems and write 3 different quadratic, cubic and linear polynomials with different number of terms. Okay.